Dear students, welcome to my next lecture on nitrogen compounds, that is general methods of preparation of nitrogen compounds amines. We will see the first one, reduction of nitro compounds. Reduction of nitro compounds. Here we are talking about reduction of nitro compounds. In this, you can take alkyl or aryl nitro compounds, all have nitroalkanes or nitrobenzene, for the reduction of these nitro compounds into primary amines. So here reduction means addition of hydrogen. Whatever oxygen is present with the nitro compounds, that will be taken by hydrogens given from these reducing agents, converted into water. So usually we have hydrogen in presence of palladium or nickel is the best reducing agent for this process of converting the alkyl nitro compounds into amines. RNH2 is the primary amine formula. Or else if you take nitrobenzene also can be converted into aniline by addition of 6 nascent hydrogens coming from this palladium or nickel. Or sometimes this metal with concentrated hydrochloric acid is also working as a best reducing agent for this process of converting nitrobenzene into aniline. So aniline formula is benzene ring with NH2 is nothing but that is aniline. So this is aniline. This is one best method for the conversion of this alkyl or halo nitroalkanes into amines, or nitrobenzene into aryl amine. Okay. Second one, ammonolysis of alkyl halide. So here we are talking about ammonolysis of alkyl halide, also known as Hofmann alkylation reaction. In this, what will happen? We will take alkyl halide treated with alcoholic solution of ammonia, we will get primary, secondary, tertiary, and if you add more alkyl halide, finally you will get quaternary ammonium salt also in this process. Actually in this process we will get a mixture of primary, secondary, tertiary and all. That's why this is not a suitable method for the preparation of amines, as the products are obtained mixture. So that how the reaction will be there. See, we will take methyl chloride and convert into primary amine, methanamine. That will be again converted to secondary amine by taking one more alkyl halide. So for the secondary amine we will add one more primary methyl chloride to get tertiary amine. Tertiary amine will be converted into quaternary ammonium salt. So in this we got primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary ammonium salts as a mixture of amines. The second method. Let's move on to the another important information in this one. This reaction is an example for nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next one. We'll have a third method. That method is called as reduction of nitriles. Reduction of nitriles. Nitriles means cyanides. Nitrile is the IUPAC's name. Nitrile on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or catalytic hydrogenation respect to amines. That will give respect to amines. We have lithium aluminum hydride is the best and strong oxidation reducing agent for this process. And in this process we will get amines having one carbon atom more than the starting amine, starting alkyl halide or alcohol. Usually what will happen, so alcohols will be converted into alkyl cyanides or nitriles to convert into the alkyl nitriles converted into primary amines. So here we have an important method, that is conversion of alkyl nitriles into primary amines. This is also known as Mendes reaction. Another name for this named reaction is Mendes reaction. So do remember, whenever they are asking you to convert the alkyl nitriles into amines, the alkyl nitrile carbon number whatever is there, that number is same to that of carbon number in the products also. But the point is, if you start with alkyl halide converted into alkyl nitriles, then this amine obtained will be having one carbon more than the starting alkyl halide or alcohol. That is the third important method of discussion. Let us move to the fourth one. Reduction of amides. So here amides are nothing but RCONH2 groups are called amides, and these amides are reduced to primary amines by using, again, lithium aluminum hydride is the best reducing agent. So we will get primary amines in this method also if you take amide as the starting material for this process. Let's move on to the next one. This is the fifth one, the most important one, Gabriel Thalomide synthesis. Very, very important for the coming exams. Any of the exam, whether board exam or competitive exam, Gabriel Thalomide synthesis is best used for the preparation of alkyl primary amines. So in this, we will take thalamide. That thalamide is treated with alcoholic solution of potassium hydroxide, and that will forms potassium salt of thalamide. And that potassium salt on thalamide will be heated with alkyl halide to get N-alkyl thalamide. This is N-alkyl thalamide, and that will be further hydrolyzed in the presence of a base. This is sodium hydroxide is a base to get primary amine. So primary amine is RNH2. This is the most important question for the board examination. Okay, let us move to the next one. The next one is nothing but talking about the importance of the primary amines obtained in this method. This method only useful to prepare primary amines, that too alkyl primary amines, aliphatic, not aromatic. So aromatic primary amines cannot be prepared using this reaction, as aryl halides are less reactive towards SN1. If you really want to prepare aromatic primary amines, then that amines must contain some electron withdrawing groups at ortho para positions with respect to halogen, the aryl halide. Then only it is possible. So conditionally it is difficult to get a primary aryl halide without the other condition, other attached groups. Okay. Let's move on to the another preparation, last preparation. That is by Hofmann bromide reaction. Actually, in this also we will start with amides that will be treated with bromine and potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide to form primary amines. Primary amines are RNH2 is the primary, is the important formula. The amine obtained will have one carbon less than that of starting amide. Amide we have one carbon in the functional group already, extra is there, and in the form of carbon dioxide it will be removed. That's why the starting amide carbon number and formed amine carbon number is different. One carbon is lesser. That's why you will call this is degradation method. It is a degradation reaction. Less number of carbons are obtained in the product. That's why this method is called as a degradation method. Okay. Hope you observed all the kinds of these reactions, and in this we observed Hofmann bromide reaction is also one of the most important for board exam, comparative and board exam. So once again, let us recapitalize the things. First, we have discussed about the preparation of amines from nitro compounds. First method. The second one is ammonolysis of alkyl halides. The third one is reduction of nitriles. The fourth one is reduction of amides, and fifth one Gabriel Thalumide synthesis, most important one, and the sixth one is Hoffman bromide reaction. This is the most important preparation methods of amines. Thank you.